Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best way how we can get data in the USA, and also what is the best eSIM in the USA. So the first one that I definitely recommend to check out is My Mobile. You can have a link with discounts and everything down below in the description. And what I like to always do is I come here and check the coverage. I really like My Mobile only because comparing to physical SIM card that I have to get to the store, and try to get it, with the eSIM it's super simple. Here in the coverage, you can actually check where you want to travel if you're going to actually get the data there. So we know that you're going to be in New York, and you see that you're going to have a great coverage, Toronto 2, Chicago 2, then you're going to have, let's say, Kansas also. And where you want to go, you can actually check in the coverage map if you're going to actually have a data there. So this is the first step. The second thing is that I would click here, and I would have top searches USA, and I would click for the USA. And now we have option between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, or even 30 days of data. So let's say that you want to go for 30 days around USA and you want to have 10 gigabytes. Of course, you can have 20 gigabytes of data or even unlimited data. So let's say 10 gigabytes is going to be sufficient. I would click here, activate now. So when you're going to do it, you're going to get also 10% discount from me. And you see right here, 10% discount from Mark Kamenitsky, that's me. And then what would happen is that you're gonna get a QR code to your email. So you would get a plan, and it's a data only, it's not for voice and also not for SMS. So you would get a QR code, you would scan it, and then you would activate the eSIM. Now when you're gonna activate the eSIM, it's super simple. I made a full guide down below in the description on how we can activate the eSIM. And now when you would get it with My Mobile, this is the first way how we can do it. The second way is using Airalo. Airalo is really good too. And when I'm going to have the regional eSIM here, or I'm just going to write here USA, okay, United States, and you can have 1 gigabyte of data, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte, and look at this. With Airalo, it's super similar comparing to My Mobile also with networks. Here you can have 10 gigabyte of data for 30 days, $26. Let's compare it right here. Here, 30 days, 10 gigabyte of data, $18.90. So here you can see that with My Mobile is cheaper comparing to Airalo, but I don't know when you're watching actually this video, so it really depends. On Airalo also, you're gonna have the QR code, the installation guide. I made a tutorial on that too, super simple. So that's not really difficult, and you can have both links down below in the description. On both of these, with Airalo and also with My Mobile, you can use all the data as a hotspot. So it really depends what kind of data plan you need. And also what you can do is to click help here and eSIM compatible phones and check out if your phone is actually compatible with like eSIM. So if you're gonna find it, thumbs up, you're ready to go, and everything should be finished then. Now if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. And when I talk a little bit about the data, so if you're gonna want to use Google Maps, and if you want to, let's say, check out restaurants here and there, the My Mobile, the 3 gigabyte is going to be sufficient. But if you want to, be really sure, I would definitely go for 10 gigabytes or even 20 gigabytes if you know that you're gonna use it for Messenger, or even if you want to do some work. That's pretty much about it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.